Hai fame? No worries. Tiramisu coming up. Let's start with the ingredients, and please do not comment on my shirt. This is because someone already told me that in my picture I look too serious. I'm not. Sugar, 100 grams that we're gonna separate in between the yolk and the albumen. Cheese. 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 eggs at least. This is what I use. 600 liters of coffee. I'm saying this because I love coffee. I love my tiramisu to be full strength. Savoiardi, cacao for topping, and this is a little bit of Marsala wine. I never tried this before. This is not the sweet one, so I'm only used this in about probably 800 mils of coffee. Special ingredient, this. What are you gonna do with this? Nothing. Just for me. Got a bomb. In this side of the screen, you got everything that I will use. Whisk, electric one, spatula, and this they call it spoon something, lecca padella or marisa. Let's get started. We start separating the eggs. All right, we got the 4 eggs separated. Now we add the 100 grams of sugar. You don't have to be precise, just add half on the white and half on the red. And then start mixing. Just want to mix a little bit so you don't make a big mess. That's it. Now it's time for the white. Now, this is gonna take a little bit longer, so I'll see you. Now, this is pretty much like whipped cream. See the line and all this stuff, but what really tells you if the albumen is ready? This. Firm, concrete, perfect. All right, what we're gonna do now, we mix the mascarpone with the yolk, but to speed up the process, done. You mix around the top. Time for the white. This, you can do it fast. To be a little bit at a time, mix. And here you have it. It's good, eh? All right, open up a few packets of Savoiardi biscuit. And you start by adding a little bit of mix egg mascarpone at the bottom. Savoiardi. Let's try it like this. Go to this. Now we have it. The coffee that I'm using is not mixed with water like a few people do to save coffee. I need to taste the coffee. The first done. Mascarpone again. Don't worry about the shape by now. This is the actually worst part for 2 reasons. It's coffee and I can get very stressed. Why? Because you drink it? Yes. And 2, because you're gonna break the Savoiardi. You want them to be quite wet, like 90% I will say. But you need to make sure that you can finish, you don't finish the coffee. See, now I have to reach the last part of it and I don't have coffee. What you can do, make another coffee. All right, time for the spatula to come back. now we have the funny part. Filter, cacao. And don't be shy. And there you have it. 2 hours in the fridge, but every Italians know the next day it's even better. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment below how you make it. This is mine.